Hello and welcome to my 71st tutorial. When we add a media item to a project, the top two items in the list are flat text and flat text with 3D lights. No doubt when wanting to add flat text as opposed to extruded text, many, including me, will choose flat text. However, I became curious, so decided to find out what the difference between the two was. This is a short tutorial that investigates that difference. I'm using Title Studio within Continuum 2022. Your Vision's UI may be different. To demonstrate the difference between the two types of flat text, I'm going to use an identical scenario. I'll first add a spline primitive as a backdrop. I can now add some flat text. To place this string away from the spline primitive, I'll decrease its position Z parameter. I'll now switch to World View, then select the Scene Track Lights tab. I'm now going to set the light source in the middle. Under these conditions, the light source is in front of the text, so the text appears to be illuminated. I say appears to be because it isn't actually illuminated by the light source. I can verify this by moving the text further away from the spline primitive. You can now see that, although the light source is behind the text is still illuminated. The point to note is that it's nothing to do with the fact that the scene is 2D composite. I can change it to 3D render and nothing changes. Furthermore, I can move the text backwards and forwards and it still remains illuminated. I'll now add the flat text with 3D lights media item. To make the scenario identical, I'll set the position Z parameter of the text to -200. In this case, the text is being illuminated. To show this to be true, I can move the text further away from the rectangle. As you can see, the text is now black, indicating a lack of any illumination. Now you can see as I move the text past the light source, it becomes illuminated. To conclude then, for the majority of titles and lower thirds, if extruded text isn't required, the media to use is flat text. However, if you want your flat text to interact with the scene lighting, you must use flat text with 3D lights. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any comments or suggestions, I'm always willing to listen. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until the next time, bye for now.